to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming, please subscribe, like, comment and share. So real quick, I'll be telling you people about this app. This app actually paid me today. It paid me $15. You will see it in the video. It paid me $15 today, and yes, I was able to adjust my own pay and everything was good. So the name of this app is called Nikki Live Stream, and Nikki Live Stream is one of the best apps to start earning in 2026. If you know you have not joined, the link is on the description of this video or on the comment section of this video, so you click on it and join. But before you go and start downloading the app, just try and watch this video to the end. So let me quickly take you guys on how you register on this app, how you download the app, how you register and all. So real quick, let me quickly show you guys how to download this app. You go to your app store or your play store. For those of you using Android and iPhone, you can see that the app is everywhere. Then you click on your play store. Then let me just cancel here. You just come and type Nikki Live or Nikki Live Streaming. You install. You see, that's just what you do. It's not hard. So we are going to wait for this app to finish downloading. Then I will now show you how to register on the platform. So real quick, let me quickly show you guys how to create an account in this app. So I showed you how to download the app. The app is Nikki Live or Nikki Live Stream. Then you click on the app. Then I have an account on this account before, but I will not continue with that. I will just click on sign in with Apple, so that you guys can see me creating another account. So you see, you can either choose Apple or you choose Facebook or Gmail or a phone. Anyone you choose, it is fine. This is a random account, is not my account. I will show you my account in the middle of this video. Then you choose your name. So I'm using a random name. Let me just choose let me choose Bella. Then are you a boy or a girl? You can choose a girl. Your age, your date of birth. Let me just put a random one. 1996. Let's use a random date of birth. This one is okay. This is just it. There's no stress here. Then you click on next. After submission, gender cannot be modified, as you can't change it anymore. If you choose you are a boy, you can't change it to a girl later on. So put on okay. They might want to meet you. So these are the people that they will pop out for you. Your own might be different from this one, no, but this is actually what you will see. So you can just go ahead and skip, or you put hi and follow. Just follow them. You see, it's easy. This is just it. It's not hard. Then you click on, if you want to view this person's life, you can click on it. Then let's just go at this number we're here. You can see different people here. They are just doing their own life. Exit. You see many people here. You can choose on any country. Maybe you want to choose in USA. You see, you want to choose on Philippines. You see, other countries are here. Just see them. They are all here. This one is Nigeria, because me, I'm from Nigeria. I don't know where you are from, but it is for everyone. There's no it's for only Nigeria. It is for everyone. Nikki Live is for everybody. It's a platform to make money for everybody in the world. Then if you want to go on live, maybe you want to do your own live, you can just click on here. You click on start live. But I cannot use my camera now because I already have an account. And besides, you have to verify before you can go live. So you see that part where I click on go live. After creating your account, I know many of you will make this mistake. Please verify your account. It is important. Verify your account. you see this part where they say verify your account, you will upload a cover photo, then beauty. So if you click on verify now, I don't want to verify you. Let me just show you people everything. You allow this thing to agree, then they will not tell you to do your face verification. So I'm not doing this because I already have an account. Then you take it back. This is club. I might only open a club, but I don't know. But when after registration, when you use my link to sign in, then I will open a club for you guys, so that all of us can actually be on this Nikki, because it's actually really paying. Look at the community. If you join a community, you will see it there. You see it. If you join, you will see it there. You can post videos. You can, anything you want to be posting, you can post it here. People will start liking it and all. You can even make friends. This is another side, another part that is very important in this place. If you are a young girl, you are looking for a right partner, or you are looking for a true love, or you are let's say you're a single mom and you are still looking for a good man to marry, or you are a guy, you're looking for a lady, anyone, you can actually see it here. Just being sincere, just being you will see it there. Then you go to chat. You see where they say chat. You see all your messages here. You see people have already started sending me message. You see all your messages here. You see all your messages here. You see all your friends here. I have only 1 follower. I'm following 9. You see them here. You can as well click. I can come here now and click on this message and say, you said, how are you? I'll say, I'm fine. You know how to chat with somebody. I'm fine, and you click on send. That's just it. If you want to call, you can call. So anything, and when the person starts sending you gifts, that's a good one for you. When you see somebody that is sending you gifts, that's very good. You can see people are sending me a message, I can reply. Then you click on me. See the me icon here. You see your profile. You can come here and edit your profile. You can see it, your profile. If you want to edit it, you can come here and edit everything. Your date of birth, your intro, like you know how intro is now. Occupation, relationship, your language, your traits, your favorite sport, favorite food, favorite music. Why this is important is because before somebody will enter your DM, if it's a guy, before you enter your DM, you will go through all this profile and see if you are actually somebody that he really likes. You know, so as a guy, you say, these are the kind of things I need in a girl. As a girl, you say, these are the kind of things I need in a guy. So this part just actually give them intro to know a little bit about you before them coming to chat you. Then you see the level. This is the part where you know your level, your reach, your charm. This is just the part where you know. You can go through the app when you see it. I want to really be fast with you. See the VIP, the Noble, Summit, activities, game. You can actually play game here. You see the account. This part is coin. This part is beans. And the beans is the money here. This coin is what you'll be using to gamble. And they will use it to give you they will use it when you are gambling on somebody, they will be crediting you beans. So let me switch to my account so that you guys can really see what I am saying here. So you can see, this is my account. This is my account. What is saying I should claim? So welcome back. So I'll be talking about this app today. I already showed you people how to download the app. You register an account, and this is the interface after the registration. The registration is very easy and simple. Then this app actually paid me $16 minus their charges, because $16, so they credited me $15 today, and I withdrew it to my OP and the money came. So real quick, I can show you guys here. Let me show you when they confirmed that my money was sent to my account. No, not this one. You see it? You see it? Withdrawal notification. You click on details. You see it? It was actually paid. You see it? So Nikki is one of the best apps so far. I'm saying it because I've benefited from it. This app is actually paying everyone to actually do what you're already doing. What you already know how to do, that you are doing for free. They are not paying you, but yeah, they will pay you for it. And you will be on the high chance of benefiting from this app, because number one, those of you that are looking for right partner, you can see it inside Niki app. Niki is not just for only Nigerians, it's for worldwide. Niki is everywhere on your Apple Store or on your Play Store. Niki is there. Niki app is there. So real quick, let me show you guys all around the app. Let's just do a quick turn around the app. This part, if you want to go live, you click on this start live icon. I don't want to go live, so you go live. Then you click on this party. If you want to join other people's party, you can just click and you join. Let me say I want to go to this party. My network is bad though. I can just click on any seat here and sit down. Then I will start earning. It will be counting for me, because any party you sit down, your time is counting, and when that time elapses, they will credit you. You go and receive your coin. Then if you want to see the way the consumer is sitting down, you can still go live and sit down like this. People will come to your panel and they will start gambling on you, and when they are gambling, you are receiving something. So that's just how it is. Then you want to explore, you can click here. You explore, you can check other countries and see what they are doing. Let's just go back to the main place. You go to club. Maybe when you are done registering, maybe by that time I've already created a club. But if I don't create a club, you can come here and join in any club here, and they will put you through on how Nikki really works. Then you go to the community part. You click on the community. If you're in a community, you will see it here. You see everybody is posting. You can post here. If you are in a community, your community members will come here and be liking your post. See, you can see people liking each other post here. All this one, they are from different countries. Then you come here. If you want to chat, you can chat here. You can see people are sending me messages. You can reply to their chats. Or let me just reply to this one real quick so that you guys will see. Hello, I just want to say that it is nice to meet you and make friends with you, right? Question. Okay, it is. Yes. Nice to no. Nice to meet you. You can see, very easy. And when the person start gifting, you see this gift icon there, you can do it. This gift icon there, the person can gift you and it will be added to your balance. I do not say people should start using your coin to gift to, except you see the love of your life from her, you want to give to him, you can do it. You click on this super pack here. Sometimes you will see free gift here. You can just come here, you claim it. you claim it. Then click on this me icon. You see the tax area. You can see your profile is boldly showing. If you want to edit your profile, you can come to the settings icon here. You see about your account, the security, identification, and all. Then let's click here. If you want to edit some parts in your account, you can see it. You can see when I posted. I've been using this account since, so but I stopped for a while. You see the gift that people were sending me. This is it. When you start, you actually be seeing all these things. You will actually even see more than me, because I was not taking it serious then. But now that I've confirmed that this app, it is paying badly. Then you see the tax area here. Nikki is actually paying you to do what you already know how to do. You can still be doing tax, you'll be earning. You see where they say invite. So you invite your friends, your loved ones, your family members, and they will pay you one invite. They will pay you $12.5. Is that not big? That's huge. Then you can do tax, all the tax of a day, all the tax. You see, total value of today's reward is 6.11. If you do all this tax here, okay, just imagine that you are doing the tax every day. You do it for 1 week. You can be able to withdraw after that week runs out. Is that one not good? This is another good side of income. This is another good one here. Then you can click on the daily tax. You do it. You go live, sit on a chair. They gamble on you, or you just do your normal tax and they will give you beans. So that beans is actually the money here. You see the live icon. You want to go live. You see it live today, 60 minutes, and they'll pay you 1,000 beans. And you know that 10,000 beans is equals to $1. So do your calculation. If you go for 150 minutes, I think that is approximately 2 hours. They will pay you 3,000 to 5,000 beans. So that's pretty huge. That's very, very huge. Then you play. If you want to play games, there are games here you can actually play. You can actually see gamble on people, lucky winners. They will pay you beans. So about this coin is what you use to gamble on Nikki app. This coin here is what you use to gamble on Nikki app. If you want to still recharge, you can recharge. There are coin sellers that you can recharge with here. This beans is the actual money you'll be able to withdraw from Nikki Life. Then you click on this part here, this withdraw icon here. You see it, that means 6,000 beans is now converted to 0.69 cents. Then if your money is here showing amounts to be confirmed, don't need to panic. Don't panic. It will reflect. You see, when my own was there, it was under review. After 24 hours, they approved it and it came here. I withdrew it immediately. I did not have issue when withdrawing. You see it, everything here. 10,000 beans is equals to 1 USDT, and the minimum to withdraw is 10 USDT. For Binance, you can withdraw $20. So this is a quick tour about Nikki Life. I hope you guys understand. If you don't understand, you can actually DM me on WhatsApp, or just put it under the comment section on this video and say, Mama, please throw more light on this, and I will answer you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime you see videos like this, you can actually be the first person to watch it. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye.